Good day, sir. I am Jeremy B. Amper from Basdio, Gindolman, Bohol. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information System. I choose this field because it combines technology and business, allowing me to develop solutions to real-world problems and contribute to an organization's success through technology. I have skills in system analysis, database management, basic programming, and proficiency in tools like Microsoft Office and data visualization software. Along with my technical knowledge, I am adaptable, detail-oriented, and have strong communication skills. These qualities allow me to handle tasks efficiently, work well in a team, and contribute to improving company processes. You should hire me, sir, because I am hardworking, dedicated, and eager to learn. I am committed to delivering quality work and continuously improving my skills to contribute effectively to the company. My goal is to grow professionally, take on more responsibilities, and eventually help mentor others in the team. Thank you.